Tambuang Falls in my puso. I hope everyone can visit this place. It is good for meditation and relaxation. As you can see, the family are happily coming and taking a bath. I hope some other local tourists in our province, in our country, will come to explore and visit the beauty of Tambuang. The untold story of the falls, which will be narrated soon. Many people are happy here. They have to see. It is the strongest falls. In one of the strongest falls, the waterfalls in the Brazil for relaxation and meditation, wherein family and friends come for spending their time to relax and to take a bath. It is good for hangout. I think that only local tourists have come. This will also be published and disseminated the beauty of Tambuang Falls. Even on, thank you so much for my video. Yeah, that is the falls is very older and it's kind of beauty. The greenest view of the forest of Tambuang is a gift. It is a gift and it is undiscovered. The explorations maybe has been protected by the residentials and the family and friends who come are observing cleanliness just to protect the environment, the ecotourism. The ecosystem should be given protection to save our Mother Earth from flooding, from catastrophe or natural calamities. The falls is very romantic and an apple of the eye. Ecotourism must be protected by some of the locals, and the tourism of the province of Jolo has given prominence to this scenery, which is Tambuang Falls. As you can see, Tambuang Falls is highly developed and constructed to attract the tourists, not only to attract the tourists, but to preserve the community, its green program, and to protect the Mother Earth. You see, Tambuang Falls has been the pride of the Joloanos and of course of our country.
The most momentous moment which we have had when we documented the coolest splashing waterfalls, which is found in the municipality of Maynooth.